When it comes to upgrading your home, replacing or installing new doors may seem like a straightforward task. However, many Clermont homeowners are surprised at how much time, effort, and expense can be wasted when attempting a do-it-yourself project. While DIY can feel appealing, professional door installation offers significant advantages that protect your investment, improve your home's efficiency, and ensure long-lasting results. Here's how choosing experts for your door installation in Clermont saves both time and money. Avoiding costly mistakes. One of the biggest risks of DIY door installation is making errors that lead to expensive repairs down the road. Incorrect measurements. Even being off by a fraction of an inch can cause gaps that let in drafts, pests, or moisture. Poor alignment. A misaligned door won't open or close properly, which can strain hinges and reduce its lifespan. Damage to the frame or wall. Inexperience can lead to cracked trim, uneven finishes, or structural issues that require professional repair. Hiring a professional ensures the job is done right the first time, saving you the cost of fixing mistakes later. Saving time. With efficient work. For many homeowners, time is as valuable as money. Door installation may look simple, but it often involves detailed steps that can take hours, or even days, without the right experience. Professionals work faster. Skilled installers complete the job quickly, often within a few hours. No wasted weekends. Instead of spending your time wrestling with tools and instructions, you can enjoy the finished result sooner. Streamlined process. Professionals bring the tools, materials, and know how to handle unexpected issues on the spot. By relying on experts, you save time and avoid the frustration of a drawn-out project. Improved energy efficiency. In Clermont's warm and humid climate, energy efficiency is a top concern for homeowners. Poorly installed doors can let in drafts or allow cooled air to escape, driving up energy bills. Proper sealing and insulation. Professionals ensure doors are installed tightly to block air leaks. Weather-resistant techniques. Installers know how to apply caulking, weather stripping, and threshold adjustments for maximum efficiency. Long-term savings. Lower monthly energy bills mean your new door practically pays for itself over time. This precise installation keeps your home cooler in summer and helps reduce your overall utility costs. Enhanced durability and fewer repairs. Doors are one of the most frequently used features of a home, and they need to withstand daily wear and tear. Professional installation ensures stability, preventing sagging or premature wear. Quality hardware is properly fitted, reducing strain on hinges and locks. Moisture protection is built in, protecting your door from swelling or warping in Clermont's humid conditions. With fewer repairs and replacements needed, you save money over the lifespan of your doors. Boosting home value. Well-installed doors don't just function better, they also look better. Whether it's a stylish new entry door or modern patio doors, professional installation enhances curb appeal and increases your property's value. Buyers are more likely to notice and appreciate the quality, which can help your home stand out in Clermont's competitive real estate market. Peace of mind. With warranties. Many manufacturers require professional installation to keep warranties valid. Attempting DIY can void these protections, leaving you responsible for repairs or replacements if problems arise. By hiring certified installers, you maintain warranty coverage and gain peace of mind that your investment is protected. Final thoughts for Clermont homeowners. Professional door installation is about more than convenience. It's about making a smart financial choice. From preventing costly mistakes and improving energy efficiency to saving time and preserving warranties, expert installation ensures your doors perform beautifully and last for years. By trusting the pros, you protect your investment, enjoy lower energy bills, and add value to your home, all while saving yourself the hassle of doing it alone. In the long run, professional door installation truly saves both time and money in Clermont.